booming right now in Bowling Green. Subdivisions are going up like crazy. Houses are selling as fast as they get the foundations put in.
It takes a team. No matter what you're doing, you gotta work together as a team.
I think what sets Bobcat apart from anybody else is the people in the business.
The people at Bobcat got excellent equipment and their service is just second to none. If something major goes wrong, you always make sure we have something.
We specialize in compact and heavy equipment. Bobcat and Doosan. We build our Bobcats in the United States, which that makes me very proud.
Cock shavings, we make shavings for animal bedding. We try to have the best quality of any shavings people out there. We work the machines pretty hard during the day. The durability of the Bobcats are very good. It started on a small operation of just one. Everything worked so good that we went ahead and got a second one.
I wouldn't sell something that I didn't believe in. I want to see you succeed. I want you to make money. I want you to be able to take your kids on vacation, and when you put yourself in the right machine, there are people that are going to back you to help you succeed.
Alan Scruggs and the guys, they just do a tremendous job on taking care of when we have problems or when we need something. All the Bobcat crew is A-OK on that.
Everybody that's ever given me a phone call or trusted me to give them a piece of equipment, I'm thankful.